our baked spaghetti. And then, after this, I will bake it in 30 minutes. This is baked spaghetti. So there is the spaghetti sauce, the spaghetti noodles, the spicy corn, and we have cheese. So we put it here, layer by layer. So the first layer is the macaroni, spaghetti. The second layer is the sauce. The third is the corn. And then we will repeat. We will put again the noodles, the pasta noodles. This is my experiment. So we are making our baked spaghetti. And then, after this, I will bake it in 30 minutes. This is baked spaghetti. So there is the spaghetti sauce, the spaghetti noodles, the spicy corn, and we have cheese. So we put it here, layer by layer. So the first layer is the macaroni, spaghetti. The second layer is the sauce. The third is the corn. And then we will repeat. We will put again the noodles, the pasta noodles. This is my experiment. But me, I use ground beef and spaghetti sauce. So, ayan. And then, 1 hour before serving, i-bake natin this for 1 hour or 45 minutes. I-bake natin siya. Ayan. And then, we will put the sauce. The sauce is ground beef, and I put a little sausage. I put cheese, onion, tomatoes, carrots, and celery. The usual spaghetti sauce. And then, lalagyan pa natin ng spicy, not really spicy, just a little bit. A little bit spicy, this corn. Pwedeng press corn. Ano to kasi yung nasa lata. You can put press corn. Press corn. Pwedeng walang spicy. If you don't like spicy, then huwag yung lagyan ng spice. Chili. Yun kasing kakain nito ay gusto maanghang. So, I put some spices. And dagdagan natin ng sauce. Ayan, may natira pa siyang sauce for tomorrow. We can make another. May natira pa, lagyan na nga natin lahat. May natira pa siyang konting lagay na natin lahat. And then, we will put grated cheese on top. And then bake it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Mga 45 minutes na lang kasi luto na to eh. Parang iinitin na lang natin. Ayan. Iririgalo ko ito dun sa dun sa nag-invite sa akin mamaya for dinner. Ayan. I hope they will like it. Ayan. Oh, sorry. Ako, nandyan ata si Bob. Ay, nako. Namiss ko si Bob ngayon pagka may gantong occasion ako. Mahilig yun sa pagkain. Nagugustuhan niya ito. Kaya lang wala na siya. So, and then, lalagyan natin ng grated cheese sa ibabaw. Kunti na lang yung cheese ko. Nag-grate pa ako. Ayan. Grated cheese. Lagyan natin sa ibabaw. Ayan. Ito na ang ating baked spaghetti. Bebake natin mamaya mga 4 o'clock. Kasi ang dinner ay 6 o'clock. So, i-bake natin yan. Lagyan ko pa kaya ng cheese. Tama na yan. Marami na sa cheese. Lagyan pa natin ng cheese para masarap. We put some more cheese. Meron ata ako. May mga nag-greet sa akin ng Happy New Year sa cellphone, kaya lang hindi ko pa masagot. Tapusin muna natin to. Lagyan pa natin ng cheese. Para pag nag-bake mamaya, macaroni, wala yung gadgarang ko ng chisira. Ito na lang gagamitin ko. So, tatago na natin to. So, yung ibang pasta, mamayang gabi ko na i-bake. Pagbalik ko, pagdating ko. So, ayan. Puno-puno. Sana wag siyang aapaw. Ayan. So, ready to bake na yan. I-bake ko yan namin 4 o'clock. Matapos siya ng mga before 5. And then, susunduin nila ako ng 6 o'clock. Tama-tama. So, that's it. Kunan natin ang picture. So, ayan guys, ang ating bake macaroni. Pero mamaya pa i-bake. Madali lang gawin. Yung ordinary usual macaroni nyo ay spaghetti. I-bake nyo before serving para mainit. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.